This is crazy. Look at all this snow, man. I need to at least make 30, 35 bucks an hour in this, because this is a lot of snow. My first order of the day already, $20.09 for 1 mile. Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver. Perfect way to start your day off. And it's snowing like hell, man. Alrighty, so I was at Walmart waiting on my little batch to come out, and DoorDash hit me with this offer. $9.25, 11 items, 6.7 miles. So I went on and accepted it, and I checked the DoorDash widget, and it's $100 in food. Let's go ahead and pick it up. Alrighty, we got quite, pretty sure you know that already. Alrighty. Alrighty, there we go.
And that, thank you.
Awesome, thank you, sir. Got that order dropped off. Let's see what that order turns into. $12.50, not bad. Let's see what we get next. Hey, I got me a little Walmart Spark order right here. I had one and I let it go because they was taking too long to bring it out. And then when I got done with the DoorDash, made my way back over here to Walmart, they sent me the same order, but this time now it's like worth like $5 more. We got $17.50 for 1.2 miles. Extra large order, 48 items. Is probably all groceries, but it's all good though because I got both of those first two orders done within the hour. $32 first hour. Got this order right here, $17.50, and I'm probably gonna at least be able to get one more done within the second hour. So we making good money. Hopefully I get a $20 order next because that's really what I want, low miles. But we'll see what we get because I got Uber popping off, I got Grubhub popping off, I got DoorDash running. So either way, I'm gonna get some combination of $20 between all the apps, but I hope I get one $20 order just so I can get it, drop it off, and make my way back over here to my little zone because it is popping today. Lots of orders out here. As soon as I turned on Walmart this morning, literally 15 orders hit my phone. Literally, and all of them were paying at least 15 bucks. Next order, we got a little Walmart Spark order. We got $31 for 3 miles, another shop and deliver. I don't mind it either because it's easy shopping, it's all groceries. And for 30 bucks, 3 miles, I'm finna get this done in less than 30 minutes and gonna be right on to the next order. So let's go ahead and pop in and get it done. This one got the milk, it's a little heavy. Next order, we got $10.50 for 4.7 miles at Walgreens. It's a shopping pay. Go ahead and knock that one out. That's what I'm talking about. See, that's why I love it when it snows, because people are lazy, man. People don't want to get out and go to the store, you know, and get their groceries. So hey, I will happily go get it for them as long as they tip me appropriately. Let's get it. So we made it to Walgreens. Let's go ahead and get up in here and shop these items as quick as we can because I did pick up a Walmart Spark Shop and Deliver too. $19 for 3 miles. So like I said, man, people don't want to shop for their groceries. I will happily do it. That's gonna be another $30 hour, so let's go ahead and get it done quickly. Maybe we can squeeze an extra order in that hour if we be quick about it. 2 items on this order, not too many. I don't think this person's gonna do that, but you know.
Well, I've heard of that happen.
We got some little DoorDash action. I got me a little $14 for 3 miles, Jersey Mike's and Panda Express. I'm about to stack it with this Walmart Spark order I got. That way I can make sure that I'm maximizing on every minute of my hour. See, this is what I'm trying to tell you. See, what you got to realize is you got to be multi-apping, okay? If you're not multi-apping, you're losing. Stack that DoorDash with that Uber, with that Spark, with that Grubhub. Stop playing with me. Get that money. That's how you make $20, $30, $40, $50 an hour. And if we can get Jersey Mike's to hurry up, we be all right. You too, thank you. Almost didn't catch the numbers there. You got it? Yeah. You got that Spark dropped off. I got another stack on DoorDash. I got an $8.50 Pizza Hut order and an $8 Qdoba order. It's a $2 peak pay running right now, so both of those are orders that have a potential for a hidden tip with that peak pay added on top. So we're gonna slide over to Qdoba first and pick these up. Thank you. You too, thank you. Oh.
How are you?
Oh, not too bad. Cold.
Right.
Have a good one. I'm a professional slider. Next order, got $11.25 for 3.9 miles at Walgreens. I do them shopping delivers all day. Next order, we got $7.50 at Subway, 10 items. Now, normally I would expect something with 10 items to go up, but it's a Subway we're talking about, so we're gonna be like all cookies. But I'm gonna go ahead and take that, keep the wheels rolling. My Walmart Spark order ain't quite ready yet, so this will keep the wheels rolling. Order $9 plus, Jersey Mike's. They took all day earlier. They pissed me off, but we're gonna give them another chance though, since it's such a good order. Making good money tonight. Next order, we got $7 for 4 miles, but I'm heading right back to where those restaurants is anyway. So this is a dash along the way, bring me back, because it took me out of my zone on that last order type of deal. Let's get it done. Next order, we got $7.50 plus for 2.6 miles at overtime. I'll go ahead and take that. That's a good order. And it says it's gonna go up, so that's cool. I'm gonna enjoy having this priority while it lasts, because as soon as this little honeymoon period over, my acceptance rate is not gonna let me get priority on this order. But it's cool though, because hey, that's why I'm multi-out. How you doing?
Good. Better now that you're here.
I know that's right.
Thank you.
And you know they had to reset something. I can't even tell you the last time I've been to a McDonald's, man. But for $7.50 plus, I'll go ahead and take a chance on it. For $7.50 plus, I'll take a chance. I couldn't even tell you the last time I picked up an order at McDonald's, man. I stopped going there ages ago. But I guess since they didn't reset everything, they reset the places you are willing to go to also. Y'all gonna be on there. Appreciate you subscribing. Y'all have a good one. Well, next order of the day, looks like we got an $8 plus order. Just taking advantage while I can. 5 items at Applebee's, $8, 4.2 miles with $1 peak. So let's go ahead and get it done. That's probably gonna be $100 worth of food over there at Applebee's, because it's pretty expensive out here. At $112.99 before this order on just DoorDash. That's not even counting everything I did on Walmart Spark today. Plus I had a small little dash earlier where I made, I believe, $50. So no, not 50. I think I made 12. But either way, we're gonna count it all up. But for this dash here, you can see it right there, $112.99 before the order that I'm currently on right now. So let's go ahead and keep running it up. Hopefully I can go all the way until 8:30, getting these orders consistently, but we'll see. It is Saturday, snow on the ground, people don't want to go nowhere, so you got to maximize. Let's get it. See that line? You know they don't got this order ready. Non-stop. I got another shopping delivered, $28.67 for 2.6 miles. We're gonna go ahead and knock this one out, man, because I just been going non-stop and I'm trying to run it up. You gotta go hard or you gotta go home. And if I'm finna go hard, then I might just go home. So let's go ahead and get this shopping delivered done. Sir, we right back at Walmart. I got my last order of the night. Now I'm for real now. This is for real gonna be the last one. This is my first $150 day with Walmart Spark. We got $36.50 for 5.3 miles. This one is a stack, but it's $30, so I'm cool. $36 for 5 miles all day. I'm doing that. Last order of the day. Don't gotta do nothing but wait for them to bring it on out. It's a lot less cars here now. Today was a pretty good day. I think I might even crack 250 with DoorDash and Walmart Spark together. Didn't do no Uber, no Grubhub, just multi-app with Walmart Spark and DoorDash. On Walmart Spark, I did $153.67. On DoorDash, I did $135.49 plus my $10 cash tip. That brings my total to $300. We did $300 in a total of 7 hours, y'all. And if you take 300, divide that by 7, that gives you an hourly rate of $42.85 per hour. Multi-app being select. Make sure you use these tips. Don't let them trick you into taking every single order, taking them orders that's 1-to-1 miles to money ratio, negative miles to money ratio. Just don't do it.